Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do a penetration testing on your own web application. So suppose you created this web application which is a dog adoption website. So I've created this. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to do a penetration testing for my own web application. For that, first and foremost thing would be to download a localhost server. So in my case, I will be using XAMPP server. If you don't know how to download it or if you're having trouble downloading it, specifically in macOS, I will put the link above and you can look into that video where I'm showing how you can download it and if you're getting any errors while downloading XAMPP. So let's get back to the fact that we are going to now host a website on XAMPP first. For that, first and foremost thing would be to launch the XAMPP server. Let me see where my server is. Okay, we are in htdocs. Let me go back and yeah, here it is. Let me launch that. It will ask you to put your password. That's okay. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna go to manage servers and start all of them. While it is starting, I'm gonna also start my burp suite. I'm gonna just continue with our temporary one. So yeah, start burp. And I'm gonna open a browser here. That's also done. Let's go back to our XAMPP server and see everything is up and running. Great. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just simply type here localhost /dogadoption/index.html. Now, how did I come to this path? Let me help you with that. Now, in the Finder, whenever you're using a XAMPP server and you want to host any website on it, you're going to put that website inside htdocs. That is where XAMPP is actually going to go and look what all applications are there. Then you're just going to add the path. So like I added the path here. You can see localhost /dogadoption. So it is like /dogadoption. We go inside the folder, then /index.html right there. Let me just now press enter and done. So it is opening on the local host and I'm able to see my website on Chromium. Now if I go back to burp suite in the HTTP history, once again, did I not open it in Chromium? Yeah, it is opened in Chromium. Great. Okay, there's some issue that we are facing. Let's see what the issue might be. Let me go back to the XAMPP server and see on which port it is running. 80. Okay. So see, this should not be an issue because yeah, localhost 80, but in burp we are not getting. Now we're getting it. Done. So see, now we got the request, this particular request which I'm gonna open up, and you will be actually able to see all the requests and response that go from your website to these pages. Like you can see get dog adoption /index.html, and you can see none of the security headers are there. You can see that there is a server version disclosure. All of that things you can check here for your own website and fix it. So I hope this video helped you and you're gonna take these notes and go ahead and work on it for yourself. So I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe. Okay, so before I end this video, I just realized while editing the video that we were getting a 304 and not a 200 OK in this case. So what you have to do when you're getting a 304 response, that means that basically your server is loading the response which is already cached up in your cache. What I mean to say is that it is already saved in your browser. So let me just do one thing, go back to Chromium, and in this case is when you're getting a 304, just go to your browser. Just go to your browser, search for cache, click on clear browsing data, select all time and just clear it. Once you do that and you refresh the website and go back to your burp HTTP history, see again we're getting a 304 because again I did not clear the cache in front of you. Now let me do it for you. What I'll do is I will have to go back to clear browsing data and clear, done. Now refresh. Now once I refresh and go back to burp, I am now getting all the 200 OK pages. So now let me open this one and now you're getting a proper response where you can see. Now although the headers are not there, again the server versions and everything is visible, but you see a proper response in this case. I hope this helps and yeah, thanks. Bye bye.